G'day trendsetters. At the time of recording this video, tomorrow 7:33 p.m. will be the shortest day of the year in Australia. So that's June the 21st, 7:33 p.m. Today's the 20th. OBS. Now, the question is it too early for tomatoes? I'm thinking I'm 3 weeks into winter. I need another 3 weeks probably to get these guys up. I need another 3 weeks until they're a small plant, and another 3 weeks when I might be able to plant them. So that's 12 weeks. That's 3 months from now, which puts me somewhere near the end of September, which I think is just about perfect timing. So I'm going to try it. I've got this variety here. When I was walking around the local garden centre yesterday, it's called Tomato Crimson Crush F1. It's by Mr. Fothergill Seeds. And the very first thing it says is the first completely blight-resistant tomato. We'll see. Large rounded tomatoes, each up to 200 grams. 200 grams. That's a good sized tomato. Generous crops on long trusses. Outstanding rich tomato flavour. So there you go. Tomato Crimson Crush F1. I've also got these little mini hothouses. What do they call them? Plant Protection Dome. I'm calling it a little mini hothouse. It's got a little vent on the top for so you can let the hot air out on a hot day. Not that there's many of them around at the moment. You can close it over at night. It is very thin, so it's not going to provide any insulation overnight. But I did have set up yesterday with a thermometer inside, and it on a 19-degree day, it did shoot up to at one stage to nearly 32 degrees. So it will provide plenty of daytime heat, which I'm hoping is enough to get the tomato seeds germinated and growing. But time will tell. So I'm just simply going to put 10 seeds in this packet. So I can't remember what I paid for them, probably $5 or something like that. What's that? Oh, my maths is shocking. 10 seeds, $5, 50 cents a seed. If they are the first completely blight resistant tomato, then worth every cent. 50 cents isn't much these days. So, and sowing a tomato seed couldn't be simpler. Hang on, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seeds. I wonder if somebody sat there and counted each seed. So 4 mils deep. It says 5 mils. Okay. As you can tell, I've already filled these pots with a little homemade seed raising mix. I've got equal parts vermiculite, compost, sifted potting mix, and the coconut coir, the fine coconut coir to maintain moisture. Now, I'm going to put 1 seed in each pot. So we're about 5 mils deep. That's cool. And I will, in a couple of these pots, 4 to be precise, I will double up with the seeds. There we go, 1. Now, obviously I'll have to keep them moist. We don't want them drying out or seeds will fail. Just cover them up. Firm them down a little bit so as the seed makes good contact with the seed raising mix. I'll take these guys over to my new raised garden bed and I'll just put them in between the rows. For now, I'll water these first up with a seaweed, liquid seaweed emulsion mix. Every little bit helps, I hope. Anyway, what do you think? it was 18, 19 degrees today. Still cool overnight. It was, oh, haven't said that, it was 7 last night, but up until then it was 4 and 3 and 2. I think most of this week is supposed to be around the 18 mark, 19 midweek. So a fairly mild week for us, but that doesn't last. It will turn cold, but then it will cut back to this to and fro. So we'll see. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Oh, I have a plan B. If this doesn't work or if this fails, whichever way you want to say it, I have a plan B, but that's a video for another day, which you will see anyhow because I'm going to do that as well. But I need to buy something, but that's for about a month away. So there you go. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps my YouTube world go round. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, look. Ta-da.